Can you see yourself in the 2022 Honda Pilot? With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this super capable Pilot. Safe, strong, and refined, it's the go-to SUV for family road trips, cargo hauling, towing, or scenic cruising. With seating for up to 8 passengers, a comfortable and spacious cabin, and the latest connectivity technology, it has everything you need to power your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, lane keeping assist, power liftgate. Modern refinement meets rugged capability in this family-friendly Honda Pilot. Come on in and take it out for a drive.